Hey guys, welcome back to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today we turned ourselves into Billy from the Saw movies. So to start off this video, don't mind my eyelids for when they're stained a little pink, but I've already put on a pore refining primer, and then I'm going to go in with this super pale foundation, and I'm just going to drop it onto my face and begin to blend it in. For good measure, I went ahead and did another light layer of this foundation just to make sure I was super pale and white. This step really isn't necessary, but I just like doing it. I'm going in with a pure white concealer and just going in under my eyes and blending this over my entire face pretty much. Obviously, with all this cream and liquid product on our face, we have to set it down. I'm just going to use this pure white powder I found in the Walmart Halloween section. Now I'm going to take this really cool taupey gray, dark purpley brown shade. It's really hard to explain. Sorry if you hear my dog in the background and my laundry going. I'm just going to take this shade and contour out my cheeks and make sure they look very hollow. And I'm also going to go ahead and do a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush and go down the edges of my nose, making sure I furrow my brow and connect my nose to my brow, if that makes any type of sense at all. Taking that same shade on the same fluffy crease brush, I'm now going to hollow out underneath my eyes, and I just bring this down really low under those eye bags that we just tried to cover up with concealer. But you know, I'm also going to add some under my bottom lip, and I'm going to bring my brow up a little bit more. Going in on the same brush with a matte gray eyeshadow, I'm going to messily put this over my entire lid and up into my crease. This does not have to be perfect by any means whatsoever. Also bring this down underneath your eye a little bit too. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps with a matte black eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. I was not expecting it to be near as black as it is, but I'm just going to create a very overdone smoky eye. This has to be really messy to make the look work, and the fallout ended up working for me, and I just blended it out a little bit more. I added some dirty, messy spots around my eyes. From where my eyebrows are very light and non-existent, I just went ahead and used my black eyeliner to fill them in. They also do not have to be very perfect at all. Now I'm going to go in with my Mayron Paradise Paints, and I'm going to take the red, and I'm just going to start to outline my lips, and I'm smiling with my lips closed and just continuing my bottom lip upward into a creepy doll-like smile. Billy has very distinct little spiral swirls on his cheeks, so I'm just going to create the center dot on either cheek and make sure they're pretty even, and then taking my Paradise Paint, I'm just going to create a swirl. These also don't have to be perfect. In fact, the messier the better I think this looks. Going in with my black Paradise Paint and that really thin little detailing brush, I'm just going to add a few hair-like strokes coming off my eyebrows, and then I take my finger and smudge it out to make my eyebrows look a little bushier and a little messier. I know too much. Can I please be perfect? And of course, you can't be Billy from the Saw movies without your creepy little ventriloquist doll mouth. I'm just going to take my black Paradise paint and create little vertical lines under my lip and connect them. Let's throw in some lashes and tightline our eyes. Not really necessary for the eyelashes, but it's fine. I threw on a black wig that's actually green in the back, but I just tied it up. And I'm going to create a little bow out of this regular tie that I stole from James. I suggest finding a bow tie if this is what you want to do on actual Halloween night. And to finish out this look, I'm just going to put on my Columbia jacket and fold my little neck flaps down to create a blazer look. That finishes out this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. Sorry if you liked it. I'm doing a different Halloween look all 31 days of October. So that's it for this one. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.